Now it's time to code the Mediator object in our example. Coded the welcome, the store, purchase, and the goodbye pages, and now it's time to code the actual mediator that mediates between these pages. As you recall, these pages all have a go method that gets to be called when you want to activate the page. So that's what the mediator is going to do. So here we have the mediator class, and it's going to start by, in its constructor, start by creating 4 pages. As you see, like that, passing itself as the mediator object to the constructor of each page. That creates the 4 pages: the welcome page, the shop page, and the purchase page, and the exit page. They're all stored as names corresponding to their functions: the welcome variable, the shop variable, the purchase variable, the exit variable. So those are the 4 pages we're going to be dealing with, the 4 page objects we're going to be dealing with in this example. And that's the mediator constructor, constructs the pages. Now we need a handle method. As you recall, to navigate from page to page, a page would just indicate that it was changing its state with calling the handle method of the mediator. And the new state was passed as a string to the handle method of the mediator. For example, if you want to go from the welcome page to the shop page, you pass the handle method of the mediator the text welcome.shop. That means that we want to activate the shop page's go method in order to activate that shop page, like that. So there's just a set of if statements here to handle the logic. If you want to go from the shop page to the purchase page, you pass the command shop.purchase. That activates the purchase page. If you want to go from the purchase page to the exit page, that's exit.go. The welcome page to the exit page, exit.go. So you see the idea here is that the handle method, which handles the navigation logic in the application, just connects the command sent to it to the location that it's supposed to go to, which means that you activate different pages with our go method like this. From the welcome page to the exit page, just say exit.go. So that's the idea in the handle method. It takes a change of state command and then brings up the new page with that new page's go method like this. Okay, so also to start everything off, we're going to start with a get welcome page method, and it's called get welcome. It returns the welcome object. That's to start the whole application off. So here we have a test program called test mediator, and it's going to, in its constructor, is going to create a new mediator object. So this new mediator object constructs all the pages of the application and gets itself ready with the transversal logic in the application, moving from page to page. Then we're going to say mediator.getWelcome. This returns the welcome page as a way of starting the application off, and you use that welcome page's go method in order to activate the welcome page. Okay, so that's it. That's the mediator class like this, and it has a constructor that constructs the 4 pages in the application, and a handle method that handles the actual interfacing from page to page, a get welcome page as well, just to start things off so that you can get the welcome page reference and use the go method on that welcome page in order to start the application. So let's take a look at how this works. The test mediator program is ready, and it's going to create a mediator object, and the mediator object is going to create the pages themselves, and then you're going to be presumably asked questions on how you want to navigate from page to page. So, for example, the welcome page says, do you want to shop? Yes, no. And you type yes. You go to the shop page. Are you ready to purchase? And you might say yes. And the question is buy the item now. And that buy the item now comes from the shop page, actually the purchase page. And you buy the item. And all these transactions are mediated. All these transversals from page to page are mediated by the mediator object. Buy the item now, yes, no, yes. And so that's going to check us out. Thanks for your purchase. Please come again sometime. And there you have it. The mediator did what it's supposed to do. You can take another path if you would like to. Do you want to shop? Yes. No, and the mediator sent us to the exit page, as you see, as it was supposed to do. So that's the idea. You wrap the kind of logic you need to mediate between objects in your code into its own object, and that extracts the volatile mediation or interface code between objects into its own dedicated object. That's the idea behind this design pattern. So that is the Mediator design pattern, a useful one in case you have many different objects that have some interface with each other and you are getting tired of interfacing every object to all the other 1,000 objects in your application. It's time to think about things in terms of the Mediator design pattern.